Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure list, and in today's video we will see list method pop. Pop removes an element from the list and returns that element. If you don't pass any index value, then by default it will remove the last element, and if you pass an index value, then that index value element will be deleted and returned at the output. Let's cross check this. We create a list L containing 4 elements 10, 20, 30, 40. Click on the cell, run the cell, list has been created. We check all the methods available inside the list. We run the function dir L. Click on the cell, run the cell. We will see all the method available at the output. You can see it has a pop method. Using the pop method, we will see the information inside the pop method. L.pop, L is the list object, .pop is the method available. In front of it, give a question mark, run the cell. It will display the information regarding the pop method. Pop method accepts one parameter. By default it is -1. If you don't pass any value, it will consider the index as -1, therefore it deletes the last value. Docstring remove and returns the item at the index, therefore it returns last element or the index element. Raises an index error, raises an index error if the list is empty or list index is out of range. Type built-in function or method. Let us cross check this using examples. Let me insert some cell. Escape A, this will insert cell above. What we will do, we will run the list method and accept the returned element in val. Val is equal to L.pop. Method has been run a single number of times, therefore last element will be removed and it will be stored in val. We print the value of val, it should be 40. And we print the status of the list, it will be 10, 20, 30. If I pass it as a index 0, L.pop at index 0, now the currently list contains 10, 20, 30. 10 will be deleted, it will be removed, stored in val, and list will remain 20, 30. Click on the cell, run the cell, print the value. 10 was removed, therefore value was 10, and list is 20, 30. Now we pass an index which is out of range. Suppose we pass an index as 10. Then in that case it is showing an index error. Pop index is out of range. If the list is empty, suppose we create a list L2 and it doesn't contain any element. L2 is equal to list function, list is created. We check the type of L2, type L2, it will be list. Now we run the list method, pop method on this newly created list which is empty. L2.pop, and we don't pass any value. By default index will be -1, but the list is empty, therefore it will throw an index error. Index error, pop of empty list is not possible. That's it about today's video. We have seen pop method which returns an element at the last index, or it removes the element of the index which is passed and return it. Using append method and pop method, you can implement a data structure called as stack. For many applications use stack like searching, then you can use a stack. So for in Python, if you want to implement stack, you can use a list, append method and pop method. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you like the content. See you in the next video.